Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law. Please subscribe to our channel. What happens with respect to the lifestyle when you get a divorce? Is your ex required to afford you the same lifestyle that you had after the divorce that you had during the marriage? We hear that a lot on TV, that people will say, I need a certain amount of money to keep me in the lifestyle to which I've become accustomed. Is that a thing in Michigan? How does that really work? Well, the answer is it really depends on what the word accustomed means. See, that's really the key. If you've got someone who's accustomed to a certain lifestyle because they've lived in that lifestyle for 25 or 30 years, that duration of marriage is one where the court is much closer to determining that you should continue to have a certain amount of money to maintain a certain basic lifestyle. On the flip side, if you've become accustomed to the lifestyle as you define it as a result of a 2-year marriage, it's not likely that the court is going to award an alimony award that keeps you going like that. So it's going to depend on what the word accustomed means and how many years are involved in developing that lifestyle. In most cases, where there's, let's say, a really long-term marriage, I'm talking 25, 30, 35 years, the court will usually look at that and say that after investing so much of their life into it, each party is entitled to have basically the same amount of money to live off of. So in that scenario, the court may look at the income of one party, the income of another party, and add it together, divide it in half. So if husband has $5,000 of income a month and wife has $2,000, there's a $3,000 spread. So how do we even off $3,000? Well, what the court may very well do is say, okay, we're going to divide it. We're going to make alimony, say, $1,500 a month. $1,500 a month would reduce the $5,000 to $3,500, and the $3,000 over here added the $2,000 make that $3,500. Now we both are living on $3,500. The court will tend to equalize what they have to live on in a long-term marriage. In a shorter-term marriage, the court might not do that. The court might not see the need to do that because the lifestyle that you're talking about hasn't been going on long enough so that you should be accustomed to living that lifestyle, at least as the law sees it. So obviously it's a sliding scale. It can change depending on your individual circumstances. If you have any questions about that or you want to talk about your individual circumstances, reach out, of course, and we'll be glad to help you out.